This is the Anker 250W Prime Desktop Charging Station, an amazing new desktop charging headquarters for all of your power-hungry needs. Now, before we get started, I'd like to state that I'm not sponsored by Anker, just a huge fan of their gear. However, Anker, if you would like to sponsor me, call me. Starting off in the back, you have your handy pull tabs that Anker puts at both the top and the bottom in order to make it super easy to get into. Then we're just going to slide the box off. Get rid of that. Inside the box, we have a nice black color scheme with the charging station right here. Let's pull that out of the box. Of course, it's wrapped in their nice wrapping paper here, and nothing is plugged into it. And our first look here, it's tinier than I thought it would be. Look at this thing. It has a very cool design on the top and the sides. A little bit of ASMR there for you. Very nice tactile scroll wheel. Again, tiny. Smaller than I thought it would be. Tiny. I love the design of this thing. I'm constantly plugging in things on my desk to recharge, from headsets to laptops to flashlights to batteries and so on. So having a bunch of USB-C ports that are extremely powerful in the front of this unit on my desk at all times is going to be super helpful. I regularly run into issues charging all of the things, especially when I get back from a job or on vacation, just as I was last week, or in the field, and I want to recharge all of those devices. I've actually run out of places to charge them all, to be able to charge them up quickly so that I have them ready to go if I need to leave again for another job, or if I just want to charge them up and put them away. This device is going to basically solve that from my desk. Not only does it have the 4 ports on the front, it also has the 2 USB-A ports on the side, which I'll be using to power things like my desktop, iPhone charging stand, etc. The only thing this doesn't have as far as power on the desk is additional full-size power outlets, and you know what? That's totally fine. I got plenty of those. Now, you're probably wondering about this knob on the side. This is your control wheel. Now, you can control this device through the app as well wirelessly. However, for quick changes, you can use this wheel on the side in order to change the charging priority of the port that you want, or the charging mode. There are 4 charging modes. AI power mode, where it figures out how much power your devices are drawing and gives it the appropriate amount of power to them. Port priority mode, where you can say, I have a laptop plugged into here, charge this first and fast. Dual laptop mode, if you need an enormous amount of power going to 2 laptops plugged in at the same time. As well as low current mode, which is usually designed for things that you want to charge slowly throughout the night as the night goes on. Before we get more into this, let's check out the rest of the box. On the inside here, you have a nice Anker graphic, which goes through the different options here for first showing off how it looks, as well as the charging status and the basic knob interaction. This actually comes out and is a placard, which also shows you, whoops, which also shows on the backside some more information, such as how you can wireless, the adjustment, how you can wire this, the adjustment guide, Wi-Fi connection, and the different clock screensaver options that you have there. Also in the box is, of course, going to be your power brick in order to plug this in. And by power brick, I mean power cord. This is your standard 2-prong power plug right here. Plugs in the back. Pretty standard, straightforward, easy peasy. Anything else in the box here is just your regulatory safety sheet and, various reading materials. All right, get rid of that. Let's go back to talking about this. One of the things that I have been obsessed with lately is tracking how much wattage is going into my devices when I charge them. Now, traditionally, I have been doing it through a USB-C cable that has a little screen on it that tells me how much wattage is going through it so that I know that my Mac is charging as fast as it should be. Another place where I've been using that is on the Anker mobile batteries, which I take these with me everywhere. As you can tell, I have a few of them. You can see here on the screen, I'm actually using it to charge the camera I'm recording this on, and it shows me the amount of watts that are coming out of the cable is 8.4 coming out of C2, which is fantastic. Now, on this device, I'm going to be able to see on the screen the amount of wattage that comes out of each of the individual ports on my desk while it's charging. Booting this up for the first time, you see that beautiful screen there. And they're a little bit grayed out because they're not working right now, but you can see the wattage measurements there. I'm going to actually plug the camera in here, and you're going to see it pop up on the screen how many watts are going through. You can see that something has been plugged into charge. You can see the total wattage consumption in the middle, as well as the amount of watts that are going through this cable. Now, why is this important? Well, because this helps me to make sure that I'm using the right cable or that the device is fast charging as it should be. And honestly, it helps me sleep better at night, knowing that my devices are charging the way that they're supposed to, and that they are definitely going to be fully charged when I wake up. Now, having this on my desk will make me sleep all that much better, and I can't wait to get started using it. Lastly, when nothing is charging and I don't have it configured at the moment, you can have a sweet clock screensaver show up on the screen. You do require an app and an internet connection in order to make that work. The Anker Prime 250-watt desktop charging station costs $169.98 and is available today. Amazon link in the description down below. Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more content like this. Thanks for watching.